Just one quick question. What if starting an online business didn't require a big investment? I never thought I could start an online business with just $7. Stay with me a minute and I'll explain why this mattered to me. $7. Yes, the price of a sandwich and a cup of coffee. What surprised me was not only the price, but it was the fact that I could start my online business without building a website, without creating funnels or a landing page, without sending emails. Why? Because the system done it for me. So the system does the heavy lifting for me. And on top of that, this $7 gave me access to training, something very important for my online journey. The foundation, we call it Facebook 101, which specifically designed for affiliate marketers. It's a complete guide for me and also for those who join this training. I learned how to use Facebook properly, how to set up my profile, my Facebook profile in the right way, how to set up security settings to avoid random comments or random or spam comments. Also, how to add right people, right friends, according to our needs, and different types of posts, different post types, so we can create a content. This is foundations, and of course, it made huge difference for me when I start this journey, this business. And one more thing I didn't expect: the community. People help each others, no competitions, no ego, no judgments. Everyone wants to see others win. That's great vibes, positive vibes. And I could say this is the best community I've ever experienced. Let me answer the questions. The answer is no. You don't need a big investment to start an online business. Sometimes a small step is enough. If you want to know more about this program, how to start an online business with a small investment, give me a comment or send me a message and I will share the details with you. That's all for me today. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for being here and I'll see you tomorrow.